Hello guys, quick unboxing for the latest Lowrance Eagle. So this is a Tripleshot version. The head unit itself. The Tripleshot transducer. Tripleshot Eagle. This is how the connector looks like. The power cables. So for this one, I've confirmed you can use the old one as well. Because I plugged in this one to the head unit yesterday, so it works. Okay. Mounting bracket. The hardware. I think this is the screw-in connector to hold the cables in place. Okay, I'm not sure what this. Okay, let's see how this compared to the old hardware from Hooks. For example, I have Hook2 here. The new and old bracket is the same. Yep, same. How about the new connector? So this. Yep. Yeah, can fit in. So I think not sure how it works. The Tripleshot HD, for example, is it works on the old one? So it's very fit. 1, 2, 8 pin. Yep, same. The notch is also same. Let's power up this thing. And okay, when I try to powering up, this is the lock that can be attached to the cable. You just slide it in, put on the cables, then okay, that's it. So this is the new locking system. One is available for the transducer connector as well. Can put in and then can lock, something like that. Okay. So when putting these two side by side, you can see that the new Lowrance Eagle is more sleek, and then the body is black, and it blends with the screen and the buttons well. The bezel is thinner, so it looks more modern. So let's power up these two at the same time. Just to see the difference in starting screen and the loading times. So they got the new Eagles logo on the Eagles. So this boot up slightly faster. First of all, based on the screen, how it looks, it may not reflect on the video. These have better contrast, so the black is darker, and then the color is also sharper. This is the matte. The color on this is more pleasant. And then the advantages of the IPS screen, especially when you look from the side. So this one is definitely, the picture is sharper compared to this one. Yeah, I think you can see. The color is just pop up. Okay, let's have a quick go through to the settings compared to the old one. So I think it's very similar. It's very familiar menu from the Lowrance. They have the menu buttons on here. So compared to this one, for example, this one is menu and enter on the same button. So this one have different buttons. This one enter, this one for menu. So when you press this one, it will bring up the menu, but if you press this one, it will give you the waypoint function. So you have to press this one in order to bring out the menu. If you press this one, this will give you the waypoint buttons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So an extra button. If you press this one, the coordinates. How about I hold this one? Okay, I have to hold this one in order to bring out this waypoint function. But if I press this waypoint button, it gives you the straight away the waypoint function. Whereas for this one, I just either press this one, okay, or press this one. These are the simulation from the demo. I think that's all for now. We are not going to compare the Sonar performance yet because we haven't go underwater yet. So thanks you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.